Hello YouTube, this is Asatsu5 and I got quite the unboxing to do today. I don't really do trades that much. I occasionally do. And these are bought items. I didn't trade for them. But they're interesting, and just to let you kind of know what kind of mood I'm in, I thought I'd unbox these items. Hang on a second. Just got off work, I'm thirsty. Also, some of y'all seem pretty interested in the Provoke. I got the light plastic one, plastic handle, and I'm not that big of a fan of it. I will do a video on it explaining why I have issues with it. It's not to take away from the knife. It's a cool knife. It's just not what I like, or it's not. It didn't perform how I thought it would perform, and there's some slight issues that make me favor the Emerson over this. But let's get started. We got this Amazon box. Okay, I thought there was styrofoam in there and I was going to be very upset. And keep in mind, all of these are kind of related. This is a box you've probably never seen before. Let's see if this requires any special opening. Oh, it's magnet box. Nice little presentation there, other than the silicone beads. How many pieces am I going to have to take this apart with? Alright, this is the knife. This is a paring knife, and I'm not focusing in. Why am I not focusing? Has a mosaic pin, bird's beak handle, very ornate for what it is. I think that's Damascus. I thought I ordered Damascus, but it doesn't appear to be Damascus. It's definitely a laminated, okay, it might be Damascus. It might just be very cheaply done Damascus. This is a cheap knife, or affordable knife. But let's see if I can get this to focus. You can see there's a hamon, and there's some wavy bits in there, but it's not very noticeable. There you can kind of see the wavy bits. Got this because of the Victorinox peeling knife or paring knife, and I was really digging it. Razor sharp, and I wanted something a little bit nicer. Now I'm going to have to find a sheath for it, but very interesting little paring peeling knife. Nice little display box. There, you can see it better in there. There we go. Alright, I want to continue using the Provoke. And this is a box from JB Knife and Tool. And a lot of y'all might not be familiar with JB Knife and Tool. They are kind of a custom limited production knife company out of San Antonio, Texas. I love supporting Texas companies, especially out of San Antonio. Anyways, this, like I said, all of these products are going to be somewhat related. Let's see, nothing else is in there. Got a nice bag with JB Knife and Tool on it. Any guesses? You get bonus points with me if you can guess what this is. I was on the waiting list for 2 of their knives. This one finally became available. This is the Libri Guild knife. And I almost made a mistake pushing off the way that I did, because this is a reverse edge knife. You can see that it's quite the specialized tool. It's supposed to be held like this, point down, edge in, and Man, that's a needle point. And let's see how sharp it is. It's razor sharp. Man, that's a wicked looking knife. Not for EDC task. It's a specialty tool, and we will have a Battle Blades video with it shortly. Has a Utiloclip. Love the Utiloclip. I don't own, this is the first one I've owned, but my brother had one that I really enjoyed playing with. And this is Handle with Kel Fragile. Thank you. Again, we have a theme here, and if you recognize the package, you know what's coming up. If not, you should be able to tell kind of by the theme and going by past videos what this is. And it's... There we go. Try not to cut the contents. This is the Libri Journeyman's Guild package. I got the Apprentice, and this is the Journeyman's. This is the next step up in the Guild. And to tell some of the people that I've been talking to about Libri and stuff, I haven't mastered everything from the Apprentice yet. But there's two things going, two reasons why I went ahead and bought this. One, I'm ADD, and I always want to see what's next. Two, the way that the Libri store is, they'll get items in, and then they almost instantaneously sell out. If they don't sell out instantaneously, then if you wait too long and they do sell out, you won't be able to get it until the next run. So I wanted to go ahead and get this before the next run. Let's see what's in here. We got a wax sealed envelope. I am a sucker for wax sealed envelopes. You know, they just make things special. And if you ever receive a thank you note from me, or anytime, really, a lot of times, like during Christmas and stuff, I use wax sealed envelopes. I'm a complete nerd for them. I wonder if I can save that wax seal. We'll cut this way. But yeah, when I do thank you notes, or occasionally when I do trade, which is not very often, I use wax seal notes. We got the Bastard Child patch, which I have mixed feelings of, because I don't want people to misunderstand the message, because I am legit, if you know what I mean. But, you know, if you get the reference, you know what that's about. Then we got a challenge coin, and I think it's a non-precious metal. I want to check that out, though, behind the camera, and then I'll do a close-up for you to see. Yeah, it's most likely a non-precious metal, which isn't important. But, let's see, can you read that? But we got a patch and a challenge coin. And we got the content itself, which I'm going to have to go over. So that's it. That's the unboxing video. The interesting knives that I got, obviously the, what you call it, the Libri Guild knife. And where did I put it? My peeling knife. And I also got a new CPAP machine. I'm not going to make you sit through that opening, box opening. But I do have a cool gun holster that's coming in the mail. I don't know if it's going to fit my Ruger, but if it does, it's going to be super cool. And it's already super cool just because of the type of holster it is. Very, very vintage, old, whatever you want to call it. And it's made for the Colt Woodsman or a High Standard, so I'm thinking it might fit my Ruger, but it's a pretty cool holster. So I'm looking forward to share that with you. So that's it. I'm a Saucy 5, and I'm out.